If you're dating just one boy, you're not dating correctly. Welcome to Intrusive Thoughts with Kim. Today I want to teach you how to date correctly. Now, andinakuti rara nawo vese. I said date correctly. If you're dating just one boy, what's going to happen is, as a woman, you're going to not know how to compare and contrast, especially when you're dating for marriage. Now, when you're dating someone, some people now are dating like they are married. There are some activities. Those are for marriage. Takashitaura takazviudzwa wani. Tiri kumachechi, tiri neanana mama. And they weren't saying it because they were being wrong or they didn't want you to enjoy life. How many of you are suffering right now because you were dating and sleeping with that person? Now that you know that they are not who you thought they were. Wane mwana, achachengete mwana iyeye, wa baby mama, hauna kutombororewa, makamitiswa. I'm not saying it's your fault. I'm not saying it's your fault. But now I want to teach you how to date correctly. You should be dating at least 4 people. And when I say dating, I mean go on dates. Kunzi uya ujike, uyende kubikire kumba kwangu, aisi date yoyo. Ndo plan ze kuvarirwa. Ene ndo try kuavoida. Saka, iwewe, kana wakutaura na potential. Akakuvunza kuti, what do you like? Usati ndoda machokoleti, ndoda maruva, ndoda Tell him your expectations. Take me on a date. Let's get to know each other. Because what's going to happen is, when you sleep with that man, he's going to tell you that the sky is pink and you're going to believe it. Why? Because you're digmatized. And imagine now, va 5, which Anyway, that's it for today.